Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. In this video I'll be showing you how you can maximize your views so as to hit the target, which is 4,000 watch hour on your channel. So there's something that I want to show you here, that is how close or how far away you are from getting monetized. So this side here, I need to click earn, and then when I swipe down here, you're gonna see these. There's this part where you have to have 500 subscribers as the first target for you to activate some of these, like memberships and then the supers, the shoppings and the like. For these to be activated, first of all you have to have 500 subscribers, and then you have to have 3,000 watch hour. Now this channel was created on the 30th of November, so it's pretty brand new. Now for you to maximize the watch hour here, the watch hour, so that you hit this within 2 weeks, even 3 weeks, even less than that, you need to be streaming live. Now you could be like, hey, how come the person who's talking about all these hasn't yet hit that? I'm doing this. I created this channel for the sake of helping new YouTubers, okay, those who are embarking on the journey on YouTube for the first time, and they would want to make it. So now everything has to be new so that I'm able to walk you through pretty well. So what I'll do is I will log on to, because since this one is pretty new and I don't have 50 subscribers, there's no way I can stream live here. So what I need to do is I need to log on to the other channel where I have those privileges, so that I show you how we do this. So what I'll do is I will click here, then switch, then let me use this one here. Okay, this one which has 2,500 subscribers. So I am in. Since I'm logged in, what I'll do now is I will open my OBS. So OBS is actually the studio with which you are going to be streaming live, and it will maximize the watch hour. So here you see I have 2,502 subscribers. This was acquired through posting frequently. So now if I have to maximize the watch hour, I need to make use of OBS. So O stands for open, B stands for broadcasting, then S studio, open broadcasting studio. So I'm going to open this one, and then I will need to create a scene here. I will need to create a scene, but before I do that, let me do this. Let me delete this one here. I right click this one and then remove it. Yes, then we can add another one by clicking the plus icon in the bottom left corner here. Okay, so I will need to rename this scene. I can say what would I name this one? Let me name it let me name it after what I will be doing in the video, that is total surface area, total surface area. Then I click OK. Now from here I will need to add the source here, so I need to click the plus icon here, and then I choose what I want to add here. Okay, I will go by media source, and then head on to OK, click OK, then hit browse. I guess once I'm in, what I'll do is I will need to look for the folder where the video is that I want to stream live to my channel. So I'll click desktop. I think that one is on my desktop, and then click flash content, then latest. Once I'm in, I will go to videos to be posted. Now this one here, subject, no, total surface area, this is the one that I want to stream live. So I'm gonna click open, and boom, it has loaded, right? I will click OK, and there it is. It has even started playing. So what I'll do is I'll pause it and make sure that move this one to the, you've seen this one, I'll need to move it back to where it's supposed to be. And then after I've set up all this pretty well like this, what will I do next? What I'll need to do is I now need to come this side. Let me move this thing here. Then after I do that, I'll need to click settings here. So everything is loading. Everything is loading. Come on. Okay. So this is the window I wanted to have in front of me. So when this one pops up, what you need to do is you click stream, because you'll be streaming live. Then you scroll up here and change. You simply click there and then go by restream IO. That is YouTube RTMPS, and then you go like primary YouTube ingest server, then connect account recommended. Connect account recommended. So you click here and another window will pop up in your browser. So you choose the account to which you'd want to stream live. So it's this one on top, and then I choose the specific account. It's this one on top. It's this one on top. Physics and math, simple. Okay, it's this one here. So the thing is, I'm managing too many channels. Okay, awesome. Then I will hit continue. Okay, so here they have indicated that authorization has been completed. So we can now close this window and head back to OBS. Okay, when I head back to OBS, so here you've seen now that it's showing here, right? So I need to click apply. Come on. Okay, so that has been applied, and a chat window has popped up here. Then I can click OK. Boom, and here we are back here, right? So what next am I supposed to do? Come on. So I can close this one. It's actually inconveniencing us. I'm gonna close it up. So then what I'll do is I'll first of all punch in all the details. They're saying manage broadcast, so I'll click there and then make sure that I punch in the name, the title, a proper title. So you can make use of ChatGPT to create a proper title, the description and everything. So should we consult ChatGPT? Then you can as well upload the thumbnail here. Okay, let me do that. All right, so what I did is I fed in ChatGPT with these instructions. I've done a video where I've demonstrated how to find the total surface area of a triangular prism, create a title and description of a video, add hashtags and create a thumbnail. So in ChatGPT has generated this title: how to calculate the total surface area of a prism step-by-step guide. So I will simply copy that. Then head on to OBS, then paste. Okay, I've pasted that title. I need to copy the description as well, together with the hashtags. Head back to OBS, paste everything. So I've pasted the description there. What I'm remaining with is the thumbnail here. Then I can choose. They're saying here, is this video made for kids? I need to indicate no. Then I can choose the thumbnail. Now let's check the thumbnail that ChatGPT has generated for us. You see, that's the one here. Pretty beautiful, right? So what I'll do is I can download this one, then upload it as I am uploading the video. So let me do this in the background, then upload it when I'm done, because it might consume time. All right, so the thumbnail is now done. What I'll do is I'll click here where it reads select, then head on to the folder where it is, and there it is. Okay, so there it is. It has been uploaded, right? So now what will be the next thing? The next thing is to click here where it reads create broadcast and start streaming. So the broadcast is being created. Okay, so once it's created, this will now so you see it's going on. So what I'll do is I'll click here so that it begins to play. So just like this, it's playing. When it runs to the end here, you'll need to play it back again, but so that as people are visiting the channel, well, the watch hour will actually be pushed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.